Hey Franco, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help bring more customers into your business. I work with businesses in the area to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local business owners putting their faith in me to help grow their company. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and I'm very well versed in the digital marketing sphere and I can help your business grow, then just shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan of things and do it all yourself, hey, that works for me too. So, let me not waste any more of your valuable time and go over 3 things that could set your company above its competition. So, the first thing I want to go over is content. So I took your website here and that I found on your Facebook page and I ran it in a tool that I use called SEO Quake here. And as you can see, you have 368 words on the home page. Now Google has released that their algorithm when it crawls the pages of Google is looking for a minimum of about 1,500 words on that home page to be fully optimized with Google. So that's just like a minimum area and that's the starting base, but I can say right now if you just added some content and you got that up to the 1,500 words, you would already go up a few rankings depending on where you're at on Google. Because like I said, content is very important to Google. They want to make sure that your website has a lot of information that can be of use to people that are using their search engine. So I simply just typed in what you do. So I did interior remodeling, Palm Beach County, Florida. And this is one of your competitors here, JS1 Construction Company. So I did the same thing for them and I ran them in SEO Quake. And as you can see, their homepage has 1,855 words. So they're meeting that 1,500 minimum threshold, and that's very important. So that's just one thing you could start doing to start competing and eventually try to surpass your competition. The second piece of information I want to give today is going to be your keywords and the importance of your keyword density. So if we go back to yours website URL, we can see that you have remodeling 16 times, family 5 times, rank, contact, projects, bathroom, kitchen, remodeling projects. These are some pretty strong keywords. The only thing is, since your content quantity is so low, it's hard to get good keyword density. So the way keywords work is when you type something into Google, so for example I typed in interior remodeling Palm Beach County, Florida, it scrubs all the pages and tries to find the most relevant sites for their user on Google. So if we go back to your competition, let's see what they have. So they have home 34 times, remodeling 27 times, Palm and Beach 13 and 10 times respectively, kitchen, they have Palm Beach 10 times, and then they have their name and kitchen remodeling. So as you can see, that they have a lot of keywords and a good keyword density based on the amount of times that they use it relative to their content. So they were pulled up towards the top, and that's going to be the reason, is because they have enough content quantity as well as quality. Now the third thing I'm going to talk about today is the most important and how your website gets power, and that's going to be backlinks. So again, I took your company and your competitor and I ran them in a tool I use called Ahrefs. So this is your competitors, as you can see, JS1 Construction. So they have a DR of 4, and this is a 0 to 100 scale. So as you can see, it's not super high. They have 199 backlinks and all-time 4.3 thousand. So what that tells me right away is that the backlinks that they've had are not all quality. So although quantity matters with backlinks, quality is key, and that's why I focus as a digital marketer and SEO expert on quality. Sure, you can pay some foreign person in your inbox to find you backlinks, but what they use are spammy backlinks, and they find spammy sites, and Google has gotten really good at identifying that. And so when they see that, they actually bring your DR and your ranking down. So with the 4,000 to now 199, it tells me that they had a bunch of spammy backlinks and then they dropped really low, so they realized what was going on and removed those backlinks. So it's very important on the quality. So if we look over here, you have 2. So obviously you've got to get more backlinks, good quality and quantity, but quality over quantity, however, you still need a comparative number to be more powerful and more trustworthy on the website in Google's eyes. And all a backlink is just a website linking to your website or another company basically vouching for you. In simple terms, it's Google's way of viewing your site in a popularity contest. Now, in closing, we talked about 3 things today. We discussed the importance of content and how you need to have 1,500 words at least on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed the importance of the keywords in that content and how in this content you want to have not only the strong amount of words or the number of words, but you want to have good quality keywords. You want to have words that are going to make you find or be found on in searches. Thirdly, we talked about backlinks and how backlinks are really the driving factor of this DR, and this DR is what Google views as the most important thing to pulling websites on to the top pages of Google. So if you implement these strategies, you could easily start growing and being at the top of Google. So if you're wondering what now, well, let me tell you. You can take all this information and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, you want to save yourself the time, and you want to see what other strategies I have, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.